Hi guys! Good evening! Ito na yung ating ang ating adventure. Ayan, we're preparing for our dinner. So, ito yung start ng aking dinner. Starters, may salad, may shrimp, avocado, bread, and butter. Ayan guys, ito yung salad dressing. Balsamic. Ito naman yung salt and pepper. So, ayan guys, let's eat na. Eat na. Ayan, ang sarap ng salad guys. So, ayan ang aking pinaka-main na dinner guys sa aking beef short ribs. Ayan. That's it guys. Enjoy watching. Sana magustuhan ninyo. I'm just sharing my experience guys. Sorry po. Ayan. Just listening the bird while I'm doing voiceover. So ayan, nag-enjoy ang aking pagdi-dinner. And then after dinner, magdi-dessert na ako. So ayan yung aking dessert guys. Apple cinnamon starlet ang aking dessert. So, ayan, tama na. Time to sleep. And then, ito na naman. Time for breakfast. Mayroon akong omelette, mushroom with hash brown. Yan ang aking breakfast. So, let's go guys. Check my trouble, kung nandun na ba tayo, nakarating na ba tayo, o ito yung eroplano na sinakyan ko, ang bilis lumipad. So, enjoy watching guys. Para ba akong bata na, are we there yet? Are we there yet? You know. Naiinip na bumaba sa eroplano. Ayan, wala akong magawa. So, nirecord ko na lang to kung saan na ba akong bandang lupalop ng mundo. Ayan, para ma-experience ko ba. So, ayan, papunta na ako sa Abu Dhabi. Ayan, so ayan, checking the windows. Relaxing habang mag-aantay na mag-landing. So, of course, ayan ang view sa labas ng window. It's a beautiful views. Nandito na tayo sa Abu Dhabi guys. Abu Dhabi. So, makikita mo ang view sa baba. So, malapit na kami mag-landing guys. So, ayan, napaka-beautiful. Napakaganda ng views. Napakalinis and amazing to see and amazing to watch. Right, thank you for watching guys. Is Abu Dhabi. Ayan ang Abu Dhabi guys. So, ayan. Napakaganda guys. So, just listen the bird while I'm doing the voice over here. Nandito ako sa mountain resort. Sa tuktok ng bundok. So, kaya may ibon. Kanina maraming. So, ayan na guys. Magiging touchdown na tayo sa Abu Dhabi Airport. So, enjoy guys for watching. Sharing what I see. Sharing what I have. So, ayan. Napakagandang sa paligid ng Abu Dhabi. Napaka-clean din guys. Ayan guys. Napakaganda siya. Very neat looking. Very neat seeing the view. Ayan guys. So ayan na guys, so nagpapakita na nandito na tayo sa Abu Dhabi. So makikita mo na yan, ayan na. So magta-touchdown na tayo sa airport ng Abu Dhabi guys. So ito na, nandito na tayo sa baba, malapit na. Ayan, naglanding na tayo guys, nandito na tayo. Okay, welcome to Abu Dhabi. Ito ang aking, of course, post pa more. Alam mo naman tayo mga YouTuber, mahilig tayo mag-post pa more. So ito na, nandito na ako sa loob ng Abu Dhabi Airport. So I'm showing you guys how nice and beautiful and clean. So of course, ayun na guys, ikot-ikot, showing. This is the airport of Abu Dhabi guys. Napakaganda, napakalinis. Of course, nandito na ako. Photo shoot ng camel. Ito na ako guys. Nag-i-enjoy ako sa kanyang pakipag-picture tayo kay camel sa airport. Ito siya. Napakaganda guys. As amazing. Of course, naman tayo sa shop. So, ayan na guys, time to fly again to go into Bangkok, Thailand. Nandito na tayo ulit sa aeroplano. So, ayan, I show you guys again ang ano. So, ayan guys, nandito na kami sa aeroplano. On the way na kami sa Thailand guys. So, eto. So, of course, mayroon akong champagne. So, ayan, mayroon din kaming hygiene kit. Ayan. So, okay, bye, Abu Dhabi. Ang ganda-ganda ng view ng Abu Dhabi, guys. So, ayan, I'm showing you the view of Abu Dhabi. I hope you like it and enjoy watching the view of Abu Dhabi. So, ayan, guys. Sharing lang naman ako guys. Kung ano yung nakikita ko sa paligid ko, I'm just sharing it. So, thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Bye-bye Abu Dhabi. So, ayan. Ito ang napakagandang view ng Abu Dhabi. Amazing views. So, ayan guys. Hope you like it. So, ayan. Of course, mayroon akong nuts na na snack. So, ayan. Ayan, paggabi na guys. Of course, welcome to Bangkok, Thailand. Nandito na kami. Nakarating na rin kami sa awa ng Diyos. Mag-touchdown na kami in a minute sa Thailand. So, ito ang view ng night sa Thailand guys. So, yung kanina, araw. So, pagdating sa Bangkok, Thailand, gabi na pala. So, ganon. Iba-ibang oras, iba-iba ang panahon, iba-iba ang araw. So, eto guys. So, parating na kami sa Thailand. Ayan. Touchdown, Thailand. Ayan. Ito yung view sa Thailand sa mga building. Amazing view guys. Basta, amazing view. Nag-i-enjoy ako. Mag-enjoy na lang kayo sa aking pinapakita sa inyo. Sorry guys. Excited lang ako. It's my first time to go to Thailand. So ayan, nandito na kami sa airport now. Guys, ayun, nandito na kami sa aming hotel. Nakarating na rin kami sa awa ng Diyos. So ito yung GW Marriott. Dito kami nag-stay guys. So I'm showing you the hotel that we stay. So ito ang view. Ayan yung hotel na nag-stayan. So ayan na guys. Breakfast time. Ito ang my first plate breakfast. Of course. Ang takaw ko. And then this is my second plate. So sobrang pagod at gutom. So, ayan ang plate ko guys. Of course, ayan. So, nandito kami sa GW Marriott Hotel sa Bangkok, Thailand. So, of course, ito yung view sa paligid. So, we walk around after breakfast. So, ito ang view ng Thailand. So, enjoy watching guys. Napakainit at sobrang init of course guys. Ito ang view. So, and then I think magcha-Chinese New Year sila dito. So, ito ang view. Walking around, looking around, we're watching what we can see. So, ito yung aming hotel, guys. Ito yung aming hotel. Ayan, Year of Horse. So, the color of the year are blue. So, ayan. Thank you for watching, guys. And, of course, see you around. And, God bless us all. Thank you very much for watching. Ayan, papunta na kami sa aming room, guys. Mag-relax and then we'll think about what we're gonna do then next. So, bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching and support. Bye!